all of you for coming, and I'd like to thank Absolute for the association and wishing everyone a very, very happy Children's Day. And Alia's just come from an event with a lot of kids, so she's like bubbly, cheerful, and all of that. So, films and fashion have traditionally been uh, what do I call it? Soulmates. I mean, right from Audrey Hepburn to, say, Robert Redford to Tom Cruise to. So it's always been a marriage of fashion and films as far as the West has been concerned. And Filmfare thought it only opposite. We've been going through a transition in terms of our covers. We're trying to make it more fashion and while retaining the core of Bollywood. So while retaining the core of Bollywood, we started the Absolute Elix Glamour and Style Awards, and happily to say that she's been constantly winning every poll on our. You just have to put most glamorous youth icon, fashion forward debutante. It's Alia Bhatt who wins most of our polls. And yes, I am very, very prejudiced and biased when it comes to Alia because Alia is Alia. She's special. And must add that the promos of Dear Zindagi, as usual, she's sensational. So she's just so lovely. I always sort of fall short of words. So Alia is special, and she's here to unveil the latest Filmfare cover, for which she won the Youth Icon Award. So without much ado, I'll hand the mic to Alia Bhatt.
That was such a unique introduction. How did you come up with that? Since we've done this a couple of times and you've always had to introduce me, introducing me, I must say, Jitesh.
So Alia also has a, now she can become an interviewer. So you'll see her in very, very different avatars.
No, but I'm very happy to be here and thank you guys. I'm sorry to keep you waiting if I have, but मैं हारून आप यहाँ पे भी आ गए हो आप पे बहुत सेम सीट आपने वहाँ पे लिया था सेम सीट यहाँ पे लियो हाँ एग्जैक्ट सेम सीट सेम शर्ट हाँ मैंने तो लुक चेंज किया है देखो इतनी जल्दी से लुक चेंज है बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट फैशन I've changed my look only for Jitesh and only for Filmfare but yeah I'm really excited to be here and I'm very excited to unveil this cover since I've actually not even seen it myself.
Yeah, I must say, Alia, when she does a photo shoot, while she's she never, unlike a lot of stars that I know, she doesn't ask for final approvals of pictures. She's not bothered. And I have to vouch that even this time, I was like, it's a surprise. It'll be a nice cover. Just be quiet and do the cover. So and then she took off to Singapore. So we really didn't have time to interact or go through.
It's okay. You don't have to give a justification. I've said it's fine.
No, but I'm just saying you're so sweet about the entire process. So thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pillai. Thank you, Alia. And I think since we're talking about the cover, the moment is now here. May I kindly request them to unveil the cover? Can we please get it on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, presenting to you the cover for the Absolute Elix Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards. Members of the media, we'd now like to open the floor for.
Am I also allowed to ask questions after your last questions, before your last questions? Based on your questions, my questioning will start. So please identify the media that you represent and ask your question.
Arun first.
Too much.
Please. Please, Arun, last time भी अभी
आलिया जी हाय
हाय
क्योंकि मैगजीन पे हमने देखा कि आप
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है हाँ
मैगजीन पे हमने देखा कि आप बहुत ही हॉट लग रही हैं तो और
देखिए इसलिए मैंने आपको पहले चुना एनीवे नेक्स्ट
और आपने कई बार कहा है कि मैं बचपन से हॉट हूँ
पैदा ही हॉट हुई थी मैंने एक ही बार कहा है फिल्म में हाँ
तो हम ऐसा माने कि जो आपके लाइफ का जो जीवन साथी होगा वो भी हॉट होगा या फिर यूथ आइकॉन होगा हम ऐसा माने यूथ आइकॉन होगा और हॉट होगा जो आपका जीवन साथी होगा
जिस टाइम पे जीवन साथी होगा आई होप यूथ आइकॉन उस टाइम पे नहीं है क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मैं यूथफुल रहूंगी पता नहीं मैं अभी यूथफुल हूँ पर जीवन साथी हॉट हो या ना हो अच्छा साथी होना चाहिए फनी होना चाहिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए और हाँ स्वीट होना चाहिए और मुझसे बहुत प्यार करना चाहिए
Hi. What do you feel is more sexy on you? Is it a sari or is it a bikini?
pajamas no I'll go for the third option pajamas because they're the most effortless and easy see bikini can be sexy because you're showing skin but I don't necessarily believe that is sexy sari I've not explored as much because I've done probably one film where I've worn a lot of saris I'm still younger but pajamas I know look very sexy on me so I'll go with pajamas
Hi Alia, we talkies. I would like to ask you that Shah Rukh recently on a talk show said too good too soon for you and how do you take this compliment as and also do you feel any kind of pressure being praised by such a superstar of that stature?
See, pressure is there either way. Of course, and I heard that compliment, and we've spoken about it many a time. उन्होंने पहली बार वहाँ शो पे बोला था मुझे पहले भी बोला है and I was very overwhelmed at that moment when he said something like that to me because he's Shah Rukh Khan, yeah, but he's also somebody who I've loved and admired all my life as an actor, as a performer, as a star, as a celebrity, as a person. So when he gives me a compliment like that, yes, it does mean a lot. But I also do agree with him that I need to be bad. I also don't want to burn out. I also don't want to be the person who's like, मुझे सिर्फ performance यही करना है. I'm not trying to only try and do that. I also want to have some fun. So I actually am taking his advice very, very seriously. And I will follow up and I will be bad.
Hi, hello. Hi, Alia.
Hello.
This is Anupriya from
Hi,
Diamond
how are
Chapel.
you?
आप आज चिल्ड्रंस डे है और ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हम जानना चाहेंगे जो बचपन में भी आप करती थी और अब भी वो जारी है और आपके अंदर का बचपन अभी भी कितना जिंदा है बच्चा
देखिए जैसे बचपन में कहते हैं ना कि खाना नहीं मिलता है तो बच्चे रो लेते हैं मैं आज भी वही करती हूँ अगर मेरा खाना टाइम पे नहीं आता तो मैं रो लेती हूँ अगर कुछ छोटी सी चीज़ इज गोइंग रॉन्ग आई स्टार्ट क्राइंग इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं क्रैंकी बच्ची हूँ मैं बहुत खुश बच्ची हुई हूँ बट आई हैव अ हार्ट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड आई हैव इमोशंस ऑफ अ चाइल्ड मैं बात बात पे हंसती हूँ बात बात पे रोती हूँ एंड my sensitivity is that of a child and that I hope will always remain because I feel that inner child को कभी मारना नहीं चाहिए.
Hi Alia, this is Saif from Bollywood Hungama.
Hi sir.
Yesterday we met Sharmila Tagore जी एक award show हुआ था वहाँ पे so we asked her that अगर एक biopic बनती है on Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi तो who would be the appropriate choice to play her character on in the biopic so she said that Alia Bhatt will be the right choice. How do you relate to this thing?
पहले तो स्ट्रेंजली मैं अभी उनसे मिली हूँ हम लोग सिंगापुर में थे और शर्मिला मैम और जावेद साहब वहाँ एक पोइट्री रीडिंग के लिए आए थे एंड आई डिडंट गेट टू मीट जावेद साहब बट आई मेट मैम एंड वी हैड अ नाइस कॉन्वर्जेशन और उन्होंने मुझे बोला भी कि उनको कपूर एंड सन्स बहुत पसंद आई थी जैसे कि आई थिंक आई विल टेक इट बैक टू हिज क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो जब legends like Sharmila ma'am and Shah Rukh Khan, when they say things like that to you, it really, really feels very good. Not only because आपको appreciation मिल रही है, because जैसे हम एक industry है, okay, so it's not only an industry, it's a family. So जैसे होता है ना जब आपके the relatives and आपके जो बुजुर्ग है, elders, they praise you and say बेटा अच्छा किया है. So जब ये लोग हमें ऐसे, you know, they motivate us, they say things to us. It feels very touching because we are all part of one family. So I'll only say thank you, and I hope that अगर ये opportunity आए, I'll perform it well.
आलिया here. आलिया डेयर जिंदगी को काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला अभी तक ट्रेलर्स पे एंड ऑल बट लाइक रिसेंटली वी हर्ड अली जफर विल बी रिप्लेस्ड फ्रॉम द मूवी सो आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू कि विल इट अफेक्ट द मूवी हाउ मच विल इट अफेक्ट द मूवी एंड हाउ डिफिकल्ट इज इट फॉर अ मूवी टू गो थ्रू सच मेजर चेंजेस एट द लास्ट मिनट
Nobody is being replaced. The film will release in its full form, and जो कुछ हो रहा है, I think right now ज़्यादा conversation उसके ऊपर नहीं हो रहा है कि कौन replace हो रहा है, कौन नहीं. So I think we can leave the edge of that topic for some time since anyways it's died down.
And
Hi.
Alia ji,
Hi. Jitesh.
No, absolutely. I was just saying that to him because it's Filmfare, I trust in Filmfare like I trust in, you know, most people who I trust in. Because our journey, as I said, has been since the beginning of my career, since I was before even an actor. We were on the cover, you know, Varun, Sid and I. So whenever they do put me on a cover, I know they'll always make me look good. Ye glamour issue tha, it was not only about me, it was all about also the other glamorous stars on the cover, bigger stars. So I feel मेरा ऐसे पूछना कि मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ उसमें काफ़ी stupid होता. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं इस बात को लेकर. He just said it's a glamour issue. फोटोशूट हमने उस दिन किया था. I entered the studio. I love the studio. I said ये set बहुत अच्छा बना है, very creative. Post किया, check. Okay, bye. Went home. So it was that quick and that swift because it's a glamour issue. So I know it'll come out glamorous.
Hi, Jitesh. This question, yeah, right, Aryaman. You've seen a lot of fashion, glamorous people changing over the period of years you've been with Filmfare. Which are the top 5 most glamorous heroines of Bollywood as per your liking?
See, for me, my all-time glamorous actor is Rekha. So, I mean, do you mean the women or the men? So, do you mean the men as well? Just the women. Rekha ji for sure. I cannot not mention Parveen Babi and Zeenat Aman. Then Sonam, of course, and now Alia. And if I'm allowed
You don't have to take my name because I'm here. You can take somebody else's
if
name.
I'm also allowed to say one more, I think Deepika has, you know, sass and a lot of amazing, and whatever she puts together, and great kudos to her innate sense of style and her stylists also. So I think it's amazing. Am I missing out anyone who will get slapped for tomorrow morning? We'll have to see.
okay.
Yeah. Oh my God. I have to mention Kareena. She'll kill me otherwise. I have to say Kareena. Yeah. Kareena is just very glamorous. So I think whatever she wears, she could wear a sari, she could wear a salwar kameez. Whatever she does, she's just fabulous.
जितेश आलिया जी जितेश
Pardon me?
आलिया
good
जी,
evening.
जैसा कि हम सभी ने देखा कि 500 और 1000 के नोट चेंज हो चुके हैं तो आपको इससे लगता है आलिया जी कि आपके फिल्म के बॉक्स ऑफिस पर कुछ इफेक्ट पड़ेगा आपको ऐसा लगता है
मल्टीप्लेक्सेस में तो प्लास्टिक कार्ड्स चलते हैं ना डेबिट कार्ड सो देन दैट शुड नॉट बी अ प्रॉब्लम नो
I hope not. I hope not.
फिलहाल मेरे पास 150 रुपीस है if you want to know it's a bad situation so
How am I facing the situation? I am having no trouble. मैं white हूँ. मैं white हूँ. White am white.
Hello, Alia. Hi, this side.
Hello.
This is Shweta from BollywoodNazar.com. First of all, looking very pretty.
Thank you.
And Alia, जब हम बॉलीवुड की बात करते हैं तो choices of films इसमें आपका नाम लिया जाता है कि Alia Bhatt is, you know, very graceful and very intelligent in choosing films. So I would like to ask you that how you decide which film you should sign and which not, क्योंकि जितनी भी आप फिल्में करती हैं आप उसमें आपके कैरेक्टर को लोग काफ़ी पसंद करते हैं.
आई थिंक मैं इंस्टिंक्ट के साथ जाती हूँ. इफ आई वांट टू वॉच दैट फिल्म, अगर मेरे लिए वो फिल्म एक्साइटिंग है एज एन ऑडियंस, एज अ पर्सन, मैं करूँगी. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली मेरा रोल, my character, how long the role is does not matter. It's the magnitude and what the role has to add to the film, and what the film has to add to me. That these are the things that I always keep in mind. And more so, without thinking, एक gut feeling आती है. Script पढ़ रहे हो, narration सुन रहे हो, मेरे को ये करनी है, मेरे को ये film में रहना है. You know, it just happens automatically. So you just follow your gut.
So you consider yourself being lucky कि आपकी जितनी फिल्में होती है काफ़ी हिट जाती है?
Not lucky. I feel it's the writers and the directors and the actors who work very hard to make it a certain way. You can talk about luck being in the right place at the right time, but I don't know how much luck is a factor, honestly, in shaping anybody's life. मैंने अभी तक figure out नहीं किया है. But yeah, I mean, I would consider myself I'm very grateful for the opportunities that I've gotten.
Members of the media, we'll take one last question. Thank you.
Hi Alia, this is Ravi Kumar.
Sure.
Alia? Hi Alia, this is Ravi Kumar, News Helpline. आलिया, पहले हम देखा करते थे ज़्यादातर किसी फिल्म में एक्टर्स वेर सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेसेस, लेकिन अब एक्टर्स आर सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेसेस. जैसे कि सुपरस्टार शाहरुख खान इज सपोर्टिंग यू इन डियर जिंदगी. सो आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू दैट हाउ डू यू सी दिस सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज?
I don't really think he's supporting me. I think you watch the film and you decide who's supporting who.
But how do you see this change?
In a philosophical sense, I'll tell you, yes, he is supporting me, because in the film I have a lot of issues and he has all the answers. So yeah, he's a very big support system to me.
I want to ask you about that. How much do you identify with the when you do a film like say Dear Zindagi, do you, in terms of relationships and the kind of, have you thrown things around?
Of course,
like,
yeah.
What do you,
I just want to say that Dear Zindagi is the closest to my life. I'm not saying कि मैं exactly वो character हूँ तो बाद में जाके फिल्म में देखना है आलिया के साथ ये भी होता है, ऐसे नहीं हुआ है. But I relate the most, you know, getting pissed off with relationships. Teaser 3 में मैंने एक line बुलाया है, hate couples. वो होता है. Breakup के बाद you always hate couples. When you're fighting with your mother, it's the same text. Mama, ये वो. Same thing, same conversation with friends. So I think not only me, but everybody will be able to see a shade of themselves in my character.
Okay, so we have one last question.
Jitesh, good evening to you. Hi, Alia.
Hi.
Jitesh, you have like appreciated Alia. Are we expecting this time Alia to win Filmfare Awards a lot?
Say you're not biased towards me. Say it.
But I have not even seen, I have not seen Udta Punjab and I have not seen Dear Zindagi. So मैं पहले से कैसे decide करूँ कि, और you may want to believe that मैं decide करता हूँ, but we have a jury, बाकायदा we have a jury which says don't talk, just sit and listen to while we are moderating. So let's wait and watch. I really hope she wins something because, you know, like when a film like Highway, which I think is her best performance to date, not aside Dear Zindagi, I was really happy when because Highway never got the recognition it should have, but I think, say 20 years down the line, it will be termed in one of the top most 50 best performances by an actor ever. I think Highway will be that. And I hope Dear Zindagi will be that too, because whatever little I've seen, she's just smashing. Just too good.
Jitesh, just see her face. Like we feel like shower all the awards on Alia.
कर दो shower. तुम्हारे पास है तो shower कर दो. मैं बैठी हूँ यहाँ पे.
Alia,
Well,
are
on-
you Alia, are you expecting awards this time?
Listen, that we'll see. साल अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Films आने वाली है. I just want the awards and the rewards from the people and the audience and the public. I want them to come watch the film and really love it and relate to it and feel all the emotions that I felt while I was making it.
Alia,
Audience का प्यार मेरा सबसे बड़ा award.
Well, on that note, thank you so much, members of the media, for
Alia, just
joining
one last
us.
question.
Thank you so much for
Hi.
joining us.
Alia.
It's always nice having the press being here.
Being a youth icon, the only message I have to the youth of today is that today I spent a very nice day with the kids of Dharaveer, the band Dharaveer rocks. और मैंने जो देखा उनमें जो talent है, passion है, हुनर है, the excitement that they have, it really inspired me. So I think the only thing I want to say to the youth out there is that whatever you do, have determination. You have one life, be passionate, just dream big and go out there and make something for yourself and achieve something for yourself. Even if you want to be the best chef in the world, if you want to be the best mother, if you want to be the best anything, just do what you want to your ability and your determination and just kill it. That's what I would say.
Alia, just one last question.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was a fabulous. You've seen the cover. It looks fabulous. And now we're all waiting for the Filmfare issue that is dedicated solely to this memorable evening. Thank you, members of the press. I maybe kindly request you to please pose for our Shutterbugs here for one last time before we end the evening.
Go behind.